Did we really see phosphine in the clouds of Venus? Venus is covered with a permanent global cloud deck. So the clouds of Venus are almost like the oceans of Earth in terms of the stability of the environment. Yeah, that's my main answer to that point that Chris makes. But there's other objections like all that acid, could life really thrive?
All that acid.
That could ruin your day.
No, I mean, all that sulfuric acid. But, the more we study life on Earth, the more we find that life thrives in these extreme environments we didn't anticipate. And people have been sort of playing around with that alternative chemistries of life that could possibly survive. So I think, it's just an interesting unknown. And there have been some observations. Neil, you mentioned the phosphine. That's controversial. Did we really see phosphine in the clouds of Venus? Which if we did, it's hard to explain.
And who gives you phosphine? What life form gives you phosphine?
So on Earth, it's weird things like rotting fish, and it's like, it smells terrible. It's just this sort of byproduct of actually kind of decomposing life. It's, it's a hydrogen-rich molecule. So it's what we call a reduced molecule, which is common in biological materials, but not common in an atmosphere like Venus that's full of more oxidized and acidic materials. So it's not something you'd expect on Venus. You'd expect there to be phosphorus, but it to be bonded with oxygen or some other compounds. If it's bonded to hydrogen, there's something weird going on.